Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel. Now, if you're a new FanDuel user, feel free to check out my referral link. After you bet a certain amount, you and I will both get some bonus cash. All right, so I've signed on to the FanDuel app, and along the very bottom, you have multiple tabs. You have the Home tab, Sports tab, My Bets tab, Casino tab, and Account. So I'm going to click on Account. As you can see, I have an account balance of $26. And you have the option to add funds or withdraw funds. So I'm going to click on withdraw funds. Okay, from here you have a couple options for a fast withdrawal. Right now I only have the option of online banking and PayPal. I originally deposited money through online banking, so I assume that's why I have the option to do it that way. And I don't have any debit cards, or my Venmo is not linked to FanDuel. So I'm going to click on online banking. So I'm going to withdraw $10, and then you scroll down, and if your bank is not listed there, you just have to search for your bank. So I'm going to search for my bank, and then it's going to tell us that it is private and safe. I'll click on OK, got it. From here, I have to log on with my online banking credentials. Okay, after I've signed on with my online banking credentials, I selected the account that I want the money to go into. And at the bottom there, I just have to click on withdrawal. So click on withdrawal. And it's just going to take a little bit for FanDuel to connect with your online banking. And there we go. The withdrawal was successful, and you should receive your payment within 2 to 4 business days. So there it is. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Once again, if you're a new FanDuel user, feel free to check out my referral link. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.